Instafl. Instafl appears to be an open-source Instagram mod for Android. It aims to provide users with a customized Instagram experience, often including features not available in the official app, such as a different UI or additional functionalities. However, it's important to note that, being a mod, it might have bugs or be less stable than the official app. Its status as open source generally refers to the code being publicly available for review and modification. Cherrygram. Cherrygram is an open-source third-party Telegram client for Android. It offers a customizable interface with various modification tools, allowing users to personalize the appearance of the app, including the drawer, chat, and folder designs. It also boasts features like multi-account support, up to 10 accounts, robust security features like OTP for suspicious logins, and modern CameraX support for video messages. It aims to be a flexible and feature-rich alternative to the standard Telegram app. Metrolist. Metrolist, specifically the Metrolist MLS app, is not a general open-source application for public use. Instead, it's a proprietary mobile application powered by Ripattoni Edge MLS, designed for real estate professionals. It allows licensed agents, brokers, and other real estate professionals with an active MLS subscription to search for listings, revise them on the go, upload pictures, manage contacts, and access other MLS features directly from their mobile devices. While it is a mobile app, it is not open source in the way the other applications listed are. Proton VPN. Proton VPN is an open source and independently audited virtual private network (VPN) service. Developed by the same team behind Proton Mail, it focuses heavily on user privacy and security. All of its applications are open source, allowing anyone to examine their code for transparency. Key features include a strict no-logs policy, strong VPN protocols, OpenVPN, IKEv2, WireGuard, DNS leak prevention, and an ad blocker, NetShield. Proton VPN offers both free and paid tiers, with the free version supported by its paid users. IceRaven Browser. IceRaven Browser is an open-source web browser for Android based on Mozilla's Phoenix version of Firefox, GeckoView, and Mozilla Android components. Its goal is to be a highly customizable alternative to the official Firefox for Android, providing users with more options, particularly regarding add-on support, attempting to allow a wider range of add-ons than Firefox Mobile. It also includes About, config support, allowing advanced users to fine-tune browser settings. However, it explicitly states that it may contain unstable code and is not recommended as a primary browser due to potential bugs.